Okay, this is by far and away the most awkward camera angle I've ever done. No, I can't sit like that. I can't sit like that. Oh my God, help, help. So I spent most of the day yesterday cleaning this bike. And because the hosepipe band is finished, so we all had to get our hosepipes out again, if you pardon the expression. So, yeah, gave it a good clean. Cleaned all behind there, did the windscreen, all down there. Look how lovely and shiny that is. I even cleaned, I took apart the foot pegs and got rid of all the gunk on the spring. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, let's get this wheel off. So the tools for the job are, I have a breaker bar with a T50 Torx head. I have a torque wrench to tighten the bolts up to 60 Newton meters, and that is it. So yeah, let's just get cracking. All right, psych yourself up, Billy, come on. Wah! Wah! Come on. Ooh. All right, let's rock and roll. Oh, she's tight. That's tight. So thank God for a breaker bar, because I don't think I'll be able to do this with a standard size wrench. I'm just going to, well, that one was quite loose actually. So I'm just going to go around these and just loosen them off a touch. Yeah. Some of those were a lot tighter than the others. Let's use the smaller one now that they're off. Changing over sockets now. Okay. I'll pull one of these out and I'll show it to you. There you go. Ah, I just realised something. Do I need to take off this rear mudguard? Right, we will see. Okay, let's just give it a shot. Oh. Oh, okay. Yes, is the answer to that. You do need to take that off. So let's do that now. Okay. All right, let's get this wheel off and have a good look. See what we got. So far, it's a hell of a lot easier to take off than the old Triumph one. Woo! Fancy Clancy. Okay, let's have a look at the rear of the wheel. Yeah, it all looks good. No furriness on there. It's very clean actually. I won't even bother giving that a wipe down, I don't think. Lovely. That's what we like. So what I'm going to do now is just stick the wheel over here. I'm going to need to change the tyres soon, so this is also a good sort of practice run. Let's have a good look underneath here, see what we got. So there you go. There's the rear shock there, and the swing arm. So I'm just going to give it a little clean under here. But all in all, yeah, it's pretty. I think this bike has had a pretty easy life, to be honest. There's no major marks in it or anything like that anywhere on the body really. So that's good. That is good. All right, let's clean this up. And for this, I'm going to be using my T2 multi-surface cleaner. Obviously, I don't want to get any WD-40 or anything near the caliper or the disc. So just a good old water-based cleaner. Oh yes, look at the state of it. There we go. Looking good. All right, there we go. Okay. Yeah, it's all professional mechanics wear these actually. Okay. Let's turn that off. Right, so one thing I'll tell you about the GS, which I really like, and that is its accessibility to all the sort of parts that you need to get to in order to service the bike. So for example, the spark plugs are easy to get to. They're right on the outside of the cylinder there. The battery is just one screw. Undo that. There you are. There's the battery. The air filter is easy to get to. The rear shock is easy to get to. It's all very accessible, and I really like that. It's I think this is going to be a fun bike to work on and tinker around with. So yeah, so far I'm really enjoying this motorcycle. Right, let's get the back wheel back on, because I ain't going anywhere without it. Ah! A bit tricky to get back on because there's no spindle going through it as such, so you need something to prop it up, to hold the weight up. So if I just put one bolt in first at the top here. Oh, blimey, this thing is heavy. It is bloody heavy. Let's get my professional mechanics head torch on. Ugh. For professional mechanics. Oh my god, I've broken it. Oh god, I put it on upside down. Oh. All right. Okay. All right, so they're all done hand tights now. I've got the torque wrench set to 60 Newton meters. Let's rock and roll. Let's get this on. Wait for that reassuring click. Whoa. There's your one. There's your two. 3. 4. And a cheeky. 5. All right, lovely. Let's just go over those one more time just to make sure. Nice. Lovely. Oh, delightful. Beautiful. And marvellous. All right. We're back on. Okay. Oh my god, it's so cold in here. Right, so there you go. That is the wheel off. Very simple, very straightforward, very easy. No crusted on like the Triumph wheel was. Yeah, like I said before, just easy. Everything seems to be quite easy on this bike, easy to get to. The majority of the fixings are the same sort of size. Like for example, all the bodywork fixings are generally the same size, and all the larger major fixings are also generally the same size, which is very handy. So there you go, guys. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you soon. Take care. Boo! Love. Oh, Billy's tip of the week. If you are going to take the back wheel off, make sure you take the mudguard off as well. Okay, careful now, Billy. Careful. Anything in the way? No, we are good. Jesus. Oh my God. This thing. It's like putting a bus on a centre stand. I love you though. Oh. Right.